Let's talk about the future of wood restoration. And believe me, it is a total game changer.
So here's a big question. Are old methods actually ruining your valuable antiques?
Think about it. Sanding grinds away history. Chemicals soak in. The damage is very real.
Whether you're sanding or stripping with chemicals, you're looking at some seriously high risks.
But what if there was a better way, a method that's incredibly precise? Enter Chihalo's laser wood restoration. It's a non-contact process that literally vaporizes coatings away.
And the benefits? Oh, they're huge. It saves details, it's clean, and it's way faster.
When you put them head-to-head, it's not even a contest. The laser just wins. This is so important. Laser restoration saves every detail, while sanding just grinds them away.
And what about the environmental impact? The laser is clean. Chemicals, not so much.
Okay, but how does it not just burn the wood? It seems impossible, right?
It's all about a process called ablation. The coating vaporizes, but the wood reflects the energy.
So, the science is cool, but let's see what this looks like in the real world.
Check this out. An old dresser buried under paint. Traditional methods would have wrecked it.
And the client? They said it cost half as much, and the result was absolutely perfect.
Okay, that's great for furniture. But what about something huge, like your kitchen cabinets?
Whoa, look at these numbers. Laser refinishing is so much cheaper than replacing everything.
We're talking a massive 50 to 70% savings. That's just incredible.
So, when should you choose this? Basically, anytime the details and quality really matter.
So the choice is yours. Restore the beauty or risk destroying the history.